Imagine waking up one morning and everything you've built, every video, every model, every connection with your audience suddenly goes dark. No warning, no goodbye. For 6 months, I was gone. This is why. About a year ago, I started this channel with one purpose: to teach 3D modeling and material creation, from the very first polygon to the final texture. Week after week, in Maya and Substance 3D Painter, we built things together. Then, things changed. People in my country rose up. They took to the streets, demanding something simple but powerful: to be heard. It wasn't politics for me. It was watching people I knew, people from my city, risk everything for what they believed in. The streets filled with voices, with passion, with uncertainty. Days blurred into nights. And in the middle of all of it, talking about 3D modeling felt like speaking in a different language. The world outside my window was louder than anything I could ever create. Then it escalated. War came. And I don't say that word lightly. Real war, the kind that shakes buildings and shatters routines. The kind that forces you to ask questions you never wanted to answer. People were afraid. Families were moving. Everything felt fragile. When the world around you is breaking, the only things that matter are the people you love and the hope that tomorrow will be safer than today. Content creation wasn't just paused, it felt impossible. And then came the silence. The internet was cut off. For 6 months, no connection. No YouTube, no way to reach you. For a creator, that silence is crushing. Imagine having ideas, having energy, having stories to tell, and no way to share any of it. Those 6 months felt like standing in a completely dark room, calling out your name and hearing nothing back. But darkness doesn't last forever. The connection came back, and so did I. The first thing that crossed my mind when the internet returned wasn't what video to make. It was you, this community, the people who subscribed when I was just starting out, the ones who left kind comments that kept me going. You were here even when I couldn't be. And now I am too. I'm not coming back half-heartedly. I'm coming back better, more consistent, more dedicated, more grateful than ever. I'm back, and this time, I'm staying. So let me tell you what's coming. Every single week, you'll get a complete tutorial, full 3D modeling in Maya, UV unwrapping, and material creation in Substance 3D Painter, from 0 to 100, just like before. But we're leveling up. Starting now, every single day, there will be a new, short, quick tips, time lapses, mini breakdowns you can watch in under a minute. I want to be here for you every day. I want to build this with you. And I want to prove that what happened won't stop what we're creating together. The best content from this channel is still ahead of us. If this story touched you, if you've ever had to stop and fight your way back, then I ask you for one thing. Hit subscribe. Drop a comment below, even just to say you're still here. Your support right now is what makes everything possible. It tells me this community is alive. It tells me the work matters. I'll see you in the next video. And I promise you, I am not going anywhere.